Exotic aromas of curry, a fusion of Indian and Japanese flavor I love. Ground beef eggplant dry curry. Each bite an explosion of tasty goodness, a satisfying dish. I'm Mika from mikastinykitchen.com. Ready? Here's what you need. The rest is in the show notes too. Use 85% lean meat and Japanese or baby eggplant. Who wants greasy chewy curry? Dice 1 large yellow onion. Mince 1 clove of garlic. Mince about 1 or 2 teaspoons fresh ginger. I prefer Japanese eggplant, but only baby was available on my shopping day. Choose 3 good quality and bruised eggplant. Trim the end. Since I'm using baby eggplant, I peel 4 strips of skin off. If you use Japanese eggplant, the skin is very tender, no need to peel like this. Cut into pieces as I show here. Put a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a hot pan. Add the eggplant. Saute until brown and soft. Set aside. Put a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your hot pan. Add garlic and ginger. When fragrant, add onion and saute until translucent and lightly brown. Add the ground beef. 85% lean is important. Just right to carry flavor without being oily. Break up. Cook until brown. Add the curry powder. You can use hot or sweet. I'm using sweet curry here. Stir. Add the chopped tomatoes. Mix them in well. Add salt and Worcestershire sauce. Add 1/3 cup water. Stir in the cooked eggplant. Put the Garam Masala. Stir the curry again. Garam Masala is the finishing step in many curries. Salt to your taste. Simmer briefly, just a couple minutes. This is a dry curry. It will be quite thick when it is done. Stir a few times. Salt is important here. It brings the delicious flavors together. My husband and I love this dish with Japanese rice, but long grain white rice or basmati would be delicious as well. So rich and beautiful, isn't it? My whole house smells wonderful. Your family will love it for sure. A few of my fresh garden pickles, a perfect side. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching my video.